Hi everyone, this is Tavani. Welcome to my channel NCRT Medicine. In this video, we'll be discussing EVS Class 3 important questions of lessons 4 to 6. Question number 1. Teacher asks children how their houses are decorated at various occasions. It helps children A. To understand how to decorate houses. B. To time pass. C. Make fun in class. D. To bring out how we use locally available materials during celebration of festivals. So teacher in the class will be asking how they will decorate their houses in different occasions like Dasara, Ramzan, Deepavali, Christmas and during their birthdays. So how this question helps the children? Option A, to understand how to decorate houses. We are asking this question to make them understand how to decorate houses. Maybe. B. To time pass. We'll be asking questions or giving activity not to just time pass. Option C, make fun in class. To make fun in class, we are not going to give the activity to the children. We are giving activity to the children so that they will be learning something from that activity. So, teacher may be asking children this question so that to bring out how we use locally available material during celebration of festival. So when this question is asked in the class, children will be telling that we will decorate our houses with leaves, with flowers, with diyas, and with rangoli. So when they give different answers, the children will learn from their culture and they will be understanding that these all the things are locally available material. So option D is the appropriate answer to this question. Option A is also correct answer, but most apt answer is option D. Just to make them understand how to decorate is not correct. Okay, by making them understand that just with the available materials also we can decorate our house beautifully. We can show children the pictures like this, that the house is decorated with the flowers, which is a locally available material, and this is also the locally available material. So by showing them, they will be understanding that just with the available materials we can decorate our house very beautifully. Question number 2. Langar is organized in A. Temple. B. Mosque. C. Gurudwara. D. Church. Langar is organized in Gurudwara. Option C is the right answer. It is organized by Sikh people on the birthday of Guru Nanak. Next question. This is Langar. People from different caste, creed, religion will be coming and having their lunch or dinner at the Gurudwara. Question number 3. Why is rapport important between children and teachers? Option A. It helps children to crack jokes on teacher. Option B. It helps children to express themselves freely and their views heard with tolerance. Option C. It helps children to play in class. Option D. It helps children to chit chat. Option A. See, why rapport is important between children and teachers. Rapport means why a good relationship is important between the children and teacher. See, it helps children to crack jokes. No. Option B. It helps children to express themselves freely and their views heard with tolerance. When there is a good relationship between the children and the teacher, then children can freely express themselves. They can clear their doubts. They can tell their views with the teacher, and whatever the thing in their mind will be heard with tolerance by the teacher. So that with patience, the teacher will be will be listening to the views of the children. Option C, it helps children to play in the class. To play in the class, we are not going to maintain the rapport. Option D, it helps children to chit chat. Just to chit chat with the children, we are not going to develop a rapport between the children. It will help the children to express themselves freely and their views heard with tolerance. Option B is the right answer. Next. Question number 4. In the lesson Food We Eat, why teacher asked children what they ate yesterday, what is the importance of that activity? Option A, it helps children to know what others eat and lose some of their inhibition. Option B, it helps children to learn vegetable names. Option C, it helps in engaging children. Option D, it helps children to chit chat with teacher. In the lesson Food We Eat, teacher will ask children what they ate yesterday and she will write the name of that on the board. How does this activity help the children? Option A, it helps children to know what others eat and lose some of their inhibitions. When teacher will ask these questions, children will be giving different answers, that they ate lady's finger, that they ate fish, they drank milk, they ate egg. So by hearing this, some of the children who are having inhibition or hatred towards any of the food item, they may develop a type of interest. They may lose their inhibition. They may lose their disinterest. Next, option number B, it helps children to learn vegetable names. It may help children to learn the vegetable names, but intention is not to just learn the names of the vegetables. Option C, it helps in engaging children, not to just engage or to time pass or to entertain. We are not going to give activities to the children. It helps children to chit chat with the teacher. These are the negative statements. As soon as we see it, we have to cross it off. Option A is the right answer. When we discuss this type of things in the class, the children will be understanding that these are very good for our health and they may lose their inhibitions. Question number 5. Ling Hu Fen is the food of A. Hong Kong, B. Mizoram, C. Kerala, D. Nagpur. Ling Hu Fen is a dish which is made of snakes and it is eaten by the people of Hong Kong. They love to eat snakes. Question number 6. People in Kashmir eat. Option A, fish cooked in coconut oil. Option B, fish cooked in mustard oil. Option C, tapioca. D, snakes. People in Kashmir eat the fish cooked in mustard oil. Question number 7. People in Goa eat. Option A, sea fish cooked in coconut oil. C, fish cooked in mustard oil. Option C, boiled tapioca. Option D, snakes. People in Goa eat sea fish cooked in coconut oil. Option A is the right answer. Just now we discussed that the fish cooked in mustard oil is eaten by Kashmir. People in Kashmir. Question number 9. People in Kerala eat. Option A, boiled tapioca with curry made of ginger. Option B, boiled potato with curry made of coconut. Option C, boiled tapioca with curry made of coconut. Option D, fish cooked in coconut oil. People in Kerala eat mostly tapioca. And they also eat this tapioca with a curry made of, not with ginger. Curry is not made of ginger. Boiled potato is the wrong. Boiled tapioca with a curry made of coconut. Option C is the right answer, and the fish cooked in coconut oil is eaten in Goa. Option C is the right answer. Next, this is tapioca. Question number 8. Tapioca is a dash. A, starch extracted from root. B, stem. C, fruit. D, root. Tapioca, everyone thinks that tapioca is a root, but it is not a root. It is a starch that is extracted from the root named cassava. So, tapioca is a starch. It is a starch that is extracted from the root. Option A is the right answer and remaining are wrong. Question number 10. Discussing the food habits in the class helps in A, sharing family experiences. B, respecting one's culture. C, showing cultural diversity. D, all of the above. When we discuss the different food habits in the class, for example, by asking children what they will eat and what they ate in the class, the children will be giving different answers, and by this activity helps the children in what way? A, sharing family experiences. Yes, they will share the family experiences, like I like to eat egg, my brother my brother don't like to eat egg. So like this they may be sharing their family experiences, or they will be telling that we all family members together eat our lunch or dinner. Like that they'll be sharing their family experiences. Be respecting one's culture, they will respect others culture and also their own culture. Option C, showing cultural diversity. D, all of the above. See, by asking these questions, they will be sharing their family experiences, and they will be respecting their one's own culture. That means they will be understanding that different cultures will be there. So we have to respect our culture and also the others' culture. And showing cultural diversity. So when different answers are coming in the class, children will be understanding that the culture will be different, and there is a lot of diversity in our country. So all of the above is the right answer. Next, match the following. A, Hong Kong. B, Goa. C, Kashmir. D, Kerala. Option 1, fish cooked in coconut oil. Option 2, boiled tapioca with the curry made of coconut. Option 3, sea fish cooked in mustard oil. 4, Ling Fen. Just now we have discussed the food habits of the different regions. Hong Kong people like snake. So the dish made of snakes is Ling Fan. So it is 4 here. Hong Kong people like to eat Ling Fan. B, Goa. People in Goa like to eat fish cooked in fish. They will eat the fish cooked in coconut oil. Option 1 here. C, Kashmir. People in Kashmir eat sea fish, but it is cooked in mustard oil. It is 3. D, Kerala. People in the Kerala eat boiled tapioca with the curry made of coconut. You have to remember tapioca and the coconut. They will be confusing with the different options. So here it is 2. I hope you people like the session. If you like the session, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.